Do you constantly clear your throat throughout the day? It's not just a habit, it could be your body trying to tell you something. Frequent throat clearing can happen due to several underlying conditions, including postnasal drip. Mucus from the nose drips down the throat, creating irritation. Acid reflux, LPR. Stomach acid reaches the throat, causing a persistent urge to clear it. Allergies. Allergic reactions can increase mucus production and throat irritation. Voice strain. Overusing your voice can leave your throat feeling irritated. Throat infections or growths. In some cases, persistent throat clearing may indicate a condition that requires medical evaluation. If you've been clearing your throat for more than 2-3 weeks, don't ignore it. An ENT specialist can identify the underlying cause and recommend the right treatment.